The sky is a realm where the laws of aerodynamics determine the path to survival. Birds have mastered the art of flight, with some of them reaching incredible speeds. Let's take a look at the 10 fastest animals that fly in the air. Welcome to our Nil Facts YouTube channel to know the facts of the world. Let's start the video. The name in the top 10 of the world is the red-breasted merganser. This diving duck can reach speeds of 81 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour. Its slender body and fast wings are well adapted for fast flight over lakes and coastal waters. The red-breasted merganser has a distinctive pointed crest and a long, serrated beak that is ideal for catching fish. It dives underwater, propelling itself with powerful webbed feet to pursue prey. Found in North America and Eurasia, it breeds in freshwater lakes and spends winters along the coast. The merganser's ability to fly and swim quickly makes it a versatile and efficient predator in the aquatic environment. The name in the top 9 of the world is spur-winged goose. The spur-winged goose is the largest waterfowl in Africa, weighing up to 17 pounds, 7 kilograms. Despite its size, it can reach speeds of 88 miles per hour, 142 kilometers per hour, during flight. Its powerful wings enable it to cover long distances between feeding and breeding grounds. The goose is named so because of the sharp spurs on its wings, which it uses to defend and show dominance. The special thing is that it eats poisonous blister beetles, which deposit camphoridin in its tissues, making its meat poisonous to predators and humans. The spur-winged goose lives in wetlands and grasslands, often forming flocks outside of the breeding season. The name in the top 8 of the world is gyrfalcon. The gyrfalcon is the largest species of falcon, found in the Arctic and subarctic regions. It can reach speeds of 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour, in level flight, and even faster when. Its powerful build and stamina allow it to pursue prey over long distances in harsh open environments. The gyrfalcon hunts primarily on ptarmigan and seabirds, which it catches in the air or on the ground. It exhibits many color variations ranging from pure white to dark brown, providing camouflage against snowy landscapes. Historically, gyrfalcons were highly valued in falcon hunting by the nobility due to their rarity and hunting prowess. The name of the top 7 in the world is rock dove. Commonly found in urban areas around the world, pigeons are amazingly fast, reaching speeds of 93 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per hour. Their speed and homing ability have been used by humans to send messages throughout history, especially in wartime communications. Rock pigeons have a plump body and short neck, with variable plumage but often iridescent feathers appearing on the neck and wings. Pigeons have been the subject of scientific research in studies on navigation, learning, and genetics, including Charles Darwin's work on natural selection. The name of the top 6 in the world is frigatebird. Frigatebirds are seabirds with the largest wingspan to body weight ratio of any bird, allowing them to fly with ease and reach speeds of 95 miles per hour, 153 kilometers per hour. Known for their kleptoparasite behavior, they often steal food from other birds in mid-flight and harass them until they spit up their prey. Frigatebirds have long, hooked beaks and a distinctive forked tail. Males display a red gular pouch during courtship, which they inflate to attract females. Found in tropical and subtropical oceans, they spend day and night on the wing, landing only to breed or rest on remote islands. The name in the top 5 of the world is the bald eagle. Usually slow-flying, the bald eagle can reach speeds of up to 99 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, when diving toward prey or during territorial displays, with a wingspan of up to 8 feet, 4 meters, it flies easily on thermal currents while scanning for fish and small mammals. The bald eagle is a symbol of the United States and was once endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and pesticide use. Conservation efforts, including the banning of DDT, have helped their population recover significantly. Bald eagles build enormous nests, some weighing more than a ton, which they often reuse and add to each year. The name in the top 4 of the world is Eurasian hobby. The Eurasian hobby is a small, slender falcon known for its speed and acrobatic flight. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. It hunts insects and small birds. Its agility and swiftness make it adept at aerial pursuit. The hobby's upper parts are slate gray and have distinctive red trousers on the legs. It breeds in Europe and Asia, migrating to Africa and southern Asia in winter. The Eurasian hobby often hunts at dusk, taking advantage of flocks of insects, and is sometimes seen chasing swifts and swallows. The name in the top 3 of the world is White-throated Needletail swift. The White-throated Needletail is one of the fastest birds in level flight, reaching speeds of up to 105 miles per hour, 169 kilometers per hour. This swift spends most of its life on the wing, feeding on insects caught in flight. Its strong, cigar-shaped body and long, curved wings are perfectly suited for fast, sustained flight. The bird's name comes from the needle-like feathers at the end of its tail, found in rocky hills and forests in Asia and Australia. This bird flies long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. Interestingly, needletails can also sleep while flying, stopping only to breed and raise young. The name in the top 2 in the world is golden eagle. The golden eagle is one of the largest birds of prey, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet to 1 meters. It uses its speed to catch mammals such as rabbits and marmots. Golden eagles have powerful claws that can exert more than 400 pounds, 181 kilograms of pressure per square inch, allowing them to grab large prey and tear it to pieces. When diving for prey, it can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. Golden eagles have very good eyesight and can maintain a steady speed while flying. They live in a wide variety of environments, including mountains, deserts and open plains in the northern hemisphere. The name in the top 1 of the world is Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon has received the title of the world's fastest animal. During its hunting, diving at high speed, it climbs to great heights before falling towards its prey at a speed of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. Its aerodynamic body, strong heart, and sharp eyesight make it a capable hunter. Special nostrils prevent damage to the lungs by controlling the flow of air during these high-speed dives. Peregrines are found around the world and have adapted to a variety of environments, from urban centers to coastal areas. Their diet consists mainly of medium-sized birds, which they attack in mid-air to stun or kill before catching them. This is all for today's video. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon with new interesting videos that will contain valuable information.